So Chef Michael and I have traveled the United States speaking to chefs and food service directors. We found the real need to develop an affordable, usable HACCP plan.
As a New York City chef, HACCP's been a challenge. With Henkelman HACCP solution, it's been a breeze.
The Henkelman unit already has a built-in HACCP log. It records every cycle, so you're one step ahead of the game at this time. We've created an online, cloud-based system that is easy to use. It's a drag and drop to create your workflows and basically create a HACCP plan for your specific needs.
With the programming, I'm able to select and be able to automatically populate, so which saves me a lot of time. What I really love about it is I'm able to call a HACCP safety consultant with Henkelman and they answer my questions immediately.
Instead of ignoring what the chefs and the food service directors are looking for, Henkelman has faced it forward, taken all of their information and their requests. We've joined forces with a food service consultant, and we've brought together a solution for the chefs that are having the issues.
With the Henkelman, they are going to support you with a HACCP solution. This HACCP solution will take you from analyzing your flow to the actual recording of all required logs and charts throughout the process. As they support you through this process, they will be able to allow you to be comfortable and confident that you are doing it correctly.
With the Henkelman's HACCP solution and automatic data login, it allows me to run my restaurant without worrying about HACCP.
We actually have solutions for every step of your workflow, from the great functionality of our equipment to an approval of your required HACCP plan.